Good morning, class. Today we will study from our reader book, that is the literature reader book. Take out it and open page number 4. Today's date is 24/7/2020. Write down classwork, put the date on the book, in the book. Okay, today we will start our lesson number 2, that is the magpie's nest. Okay, let's start reading. Long ago, all the birds of the air came to Mother Magpie and asked her to teach them how to build nests. The magpie is the cleverest of all birds at building nests. Okay, long ago there was a head mother, means there was a chief mother of birds, means जो main mother थी वो कौन थी? She was Mother Magpie. She was Mother Magpie. And all the birds came and told her to teach them how to build a nest. मदर मैगपाई के पास सब आते हैं सारे बर्ड्स एंड दे से कि हमें घर बनाना सिखाइए. द मैगपाई इज द क्लेवरेस्ट ऑफ ऑल बर्ड्स. जो मैगपाई, जो मदर मैगपाई है, वो सबसे होशियार, सबसे तेज बर्ड है जो घर बनाती है. ओके, so she gathered all the birds round her and began to show them how to do it. First she took some twigs and placed them in the shape of a bowl. Then she took some mud and lined the hollow like a mud wall. "Oh, that's how it's done," said the thrush. And away it flew. And that's how thrushes build their nest. Okay, then Mother Magpie gathered all the birds, means सारे birds को वो इकट्ठा करती है and she started making the nest with some twigs. Twigs means कुछ सूखे हुए ग्रास, कुछ हरे ग्रास, सबको मिला के वो कुछ सूखी लकड़ियाँ, उन सबको मिला के वो घर बनाना शुरू करती हैं. तो फिर थ्रश जो है वो थोड़ा सा देखता है, जो थ्रश वाली जो बर्ड होती है वो थोड़ा सा देखता है और वो वहाँ से चला जाता है. और इसी तरह जो हमारी बर्ड होती है थ्रश, वो हमेशा ऐसे ही नेस्ट बनाते हैं. Then the magpie took some more twigs and arranged them inside the hollow. "Now I know all about it," said the blackbird. And off it flew. That's how blackbirds make their nests to this very day. Then magpie ने जो है कुछ और twigs लिए, means घास लिए, and she put them in it. Okay, she put in them and it become hollow, means थोड़ा deep हो गया nest. And then the blackbird says, "Oh, it's made," ये बन चुका है. ऐसे तब से blackbird का जो है घर ऐसे ही बनता है. Then magpie put some more mud over the twigs. Then magpie ने क्या डाला? Mud means मिट्टी डाली. "Oh, that's quite obvious," said the wise owl. And away it flew, and owls have always made nests like that since then. Then after that, blackbird के जाने के बाद कौन सा बर्ड देखता है? मड डालती है, ट्विग्स के साथ मड लगाती है. And then owl said, "Oh, the nest is made like this." Nest ऐसे बनता है. Okay, then she also flew, means owl भी वहाँ से उड़ जाती है. After this, the magpie took some more twigs and twisted them round the outside. "The very thing," said the sparrow, and off he went. Sparrows make rather untidy nest to this day. जो हमारी स्पैरो बर्ड होती है उसके नेस्ट जो है वो बहुत ही अनटाइडी मीन्स बहुत ही ख़राब बनते हैं. वो भी आधा देखती है और वहाँ से फ्लू हो जाती मीन्स वहाँ से उड़ जाती है. देन बट मदर मैकपाई wasn't finished yet. She took some feathers and soft grass, lined the nest very nicely with it. But Mother Magpie did not pay attention. Mother Magpie नहीं देखती है और वो birds को feathers क्या बोलते हैं. She took some feathers, soft grass and lined the nest very nicely. वो और अच्छे से नेस्ट को बनाती है. That suits me, cried the starling, and off it flew. So starling nests are very comfortable for their baby. Now the bird starling says, "Oh, that suits me. ये नेस्ट तो बिल्कुल मेरे लिए अच्छा है." और इसीलिए जो स्टार्लिंग बर्ड होती है उसका नेस्ट बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल होता है. किसके लिए? बेबीज़. सो इट वेंट एवरी बर्ड टेकिंग अवे सम नॉलेज ऑफ हाउ टू बिल्ड नेस्ट बट नन ऑफ देम वेटिंग टिल द एंड. जो है नाउ इट सीज दैट कि कुछ बर्ड्स जो है थोड़े अपने वो नॉलेज लेकर वहाँ से चली जाती हैं. हाँ, कोई लेकिन पूरा नहीं देखता है. Meanwhile, Mother Magpie went on working without looking up until the only bird sitting there was the turtle dove. Now the turtle dove hadn't paid any attention at all. It only kept on repeating its still silly cry, "Take two, Taffy, take two too." Okay. जब सारे बर्ड्स उड़ जाते हैं तो कौन बचता है? सिर्फ द टर्टल डोव. द टर्टल डोव्स लेफ्ट हियर. और लेकिन टर्टल डोव ने कुछ देखा ही नहीं था कि उसने कैसे बनाया था. एंड शी वॉज सिली क्राइंग हिज. वो अपनी आवाज़ में सिर्फ यही बोलता रहता है, "टेक टू टैफी, टेक टू टू." ओके. Now then Mother Magpie heard this cry just as she was putting a twig across. So she said, "One is enough." Mother Magpie जब पूरे ध्यान से पूरे कंसंट्रेशन से अपना करती रहती हैं तो फिर लास्ट में जब एक ट्विग लगाती हैं तो बोलती है एक ही काफ़ी है. But the turtle dove kept on singing, "Take two, Taffy, take two too." Then Mother Magpie got angry and said, "One's enough, I tell you." Then Turtle Dove जो है वो बोलता रहता है, "Take Taffy two, take Taffy two." तो Mother Magpie बहुत गुस्सा हो जाती हैं और बोलती है एक काफ़ी है. Still the Turtle Dove cried, "Take two, Taffy, take two too." Finally Mother Magpie looked up and saw nobody near her. But the silly turtle dove, she got so angry that she flew away. She never told the birds how to build nests again. And that is why different birds build their nests differently. जो मदर मैगपाई रहती है वो काफ़ी गुस्सा हो जाती है और फिर जब वो अपना सिर उठा के देखती है कोई रहता ही नहीं है. सिर्फ वही कौन रहता है? टर्टल डोव, जो बोलता है टेक टू टैफी, टेक टू, है ना. और फिर देखती कोई बर्ड ही नहीं बचती है तो फिर वो वहाँ से गुस्से से उड़ के चली जाती है और वो फिर कभी भी किसी भी बर्ड को घर बनाना मतलब नेस्ट बनाना नहीं सिखाती हैं. एंड दैट इज़ वाई डिफरेंट बर्ड्स बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट डिफरेंटली. इसी वजह से बर्ड्स जो है अपने घर को अलग अलग तरीक़ों से बनाती है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज. कम टू पेज नंबर 8. दिस एक्सरसाइज. Write the name of the bird in front of the type of the nest it makes. Choose the names from the box, है ना. Okay. Lines the hollow with a mud ball. Who made it? The bird thrush. Write down thrush over here. Arranges some twigs inside the mud lined hollow. That is blackbird. Puts another layer of mud over the mud and twigs nest. That is owl. Twist twigs around the nest or twigs and mud. That is sparrow. Lines the nest with feather and soft grass. That is starling. Okay, do this exercise. Now we will come to a third exercise, that is take the correct option. Take 2. Taffy, take 2. The turtle dove kept saying this because that is the way it calls out. It was trying to teach mother magpie how to make a good strong nest. ये जो है टर्टल डोव की आदत थी ऐसे ही बोलना. सो द फर्स्ट पुट अ टिक ऑन द फर्स्ट वन. None of the birds learned to make strong and comfortable nests as the magpie did because they did not wait to see mother magpie complete the nest. They had to go and look for food. Number first is right. They did not wait to see mother magpie complete the nest. Mother magpie decided to teach the birds again the following day. Never to teach the birds again how to make a nest. Mother magpie क्या decide करती हैं कि वो नहीं बनाएंगी. Never to teach the birds again how to make a nest. Now we will do exercise number 4. Find words from the story that mean the opposite of these words. All the words are on page number 11. Okay, foolish means foolish का opposite क्या होता है? Foolish means बेवकूफ. Wise means बहुत तेज. Neat means बहुत clean work. Untidy बहुत ही गंदा work. Hard means soft. Hard means कड़क और soft means बहुत ही मुलायम. Beginning means starting. End means ख़त्म होना, है ना. ऑपोजिट का मतलब होता है उसका उल्टा. जैसे हार्ड का सॉफ्ट, बिगनिंग फुलिश का वाइज, नीट का अनटाइडी, बिगनिंग का एंड. ओके क्लास, दीज 3 exercises you have to do it in your book. Okay, but this exercise from reader you have to do it in your classwork copy. ठीक है. Write down today's date, that is 24/7/2020. Classwork, reader book. Then lesson number 2, the magpie's nest. Write the missing letters. BLACKBIRD. L is missing, that's why I put a dash over here. UNTIDY, untidy. T is missing. Then sparrow, SPARROW. A is missing. MAGPIE. I is missing. Write I over here. FEATHERS, feathers. A is missing. Okay, do this exercise in your copy. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको कॉपी में करना है. राइट डाउन योर होमवर्क. लर्न all the exercises from the lesson 2, the magpie's nest. Okay class, again I am telling you, you don't have to write this statement in the copy. ये वाला लाइन आपको होमवर्क वाला कंटेंट आपको कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. Okay class, that's all for today. Have a good day class.